corner pub night.
Yeah, yeah, that's it.
I am.
That's good.
Buffalo and cream and boy.
Is that good? You like that?
What you doing, love? What you doing over there, huh?
Good. You can eat it.
Yeah.
We'll finally get into it and everybody will have the cameras down. I'm waiting.
Great big.
Yeah, he says, I like the old way, Mom. Just get a fork and feed it to me.
Pretty good.
Well, hurry up and eat your cake and then you go to bed.
There you go. That's a good boy.
Is that good?
Yeah, for sure he was just gonna tear into it. Are you going to?
It's on my first one.
I just don't know what to do with this blue icing on my hands.
Nobody's talking, everybody's
They're just
watching
watching.
me.